Hello, Driving Intelligence community. I want to talk about the Deville today. I'm trying to repair the wreck damage that occurred several months ago. If you recall from that, the car was in an accident. The front end was pushed in a little bit, and because these cars are designed with energy zones or crumple zones to protect the occupants, it's easy to total them out when you have an accident, and that's the case with this vehicle. I tried to repair this previously by using a sledgehammer to straighten out the front bumper supports. Obviously that didn't work out. This time I wanted to try a more aggressive step, and that's using my F-150 to yank on those bumper supports with a heavy duty strap, and it actually worked. So in this video I'm going to show you the progress I made doing that, get you some slow motion shots of you actually seeing the metal bend back into place. It's kind of interesting. By the way, I could definitely use your comments, your likes, and your shares. That would definitely help my channel. That's where my channel will get promoted to other people through the YouTube algorithm. So if you can at least take that time to do that for me, I'd really appreciate it. Put a lot of work into these videos, and that'll definitely help my channel out. Enjoy. Today's the day I'm going to try to yank this Deville straight. I'm going to yank it pretty hard with the F-150, each side separately, and see if it can't pull it out, get it straight enough to put some new body parts on there. End result is extremely positive. These bumper supports were bent to the left of the vehicle significantly, and now they're straight. Both of them are straightened up. I got to replace those bumper supports. The problem is I've still got some clearance issues because the radiator is pushed back, which is pushing against the cooling fan. So I still got work to do before I can start buying body parts that I can replace, get this thing running again. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.